What's up, JUCEE fam? It's your boy Juju.
And it's your girl Cece.
And you know what it is, we are back with another video. So, let me know what's happening.
So today, what are we doing?
We're
The couple's helicopter challenge.
back on track now, we're on the same page. So, the couple's helicopter challenge.
Yeah.
So, we'll show you guys a video again of what we have to do. You guys know we've been failing these challenges recently. Quite a couple, like 5 after one another now. Here we're doing it again. This one, I feel like we can do it. I think this is the easiest one out of this few that we had so far.
I don't know.
I really do, as long as you get your rotation right. But what yeah, so we'll show you guys now. Before we do that, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, smash that subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and also
turn on your post notifications to get our latest videos as soon as we upload them.
facts.
Let's quickly show you guys the video.
So
Right there. Okay. So yeah, that's what we're about to do, and you guys are gonna see us attempt to do it.
What's wrong with you? Anyway, let's do this. Alright, we got this. Loosen your glutes and your some squats.
No, come on.
Just loosen up. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. There you go. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's get the feel. Wait. I just need to, I feel like I need to keep you a bit higher. I mean, lower.
Oh no.
So, right underneath your waist. Should I keep you here?
Yeah, it's gonna be the most comfortable.
Okay.
Then I can keep. Okay, go.
Now you have to swing your legs. Like,
Yeah, I know.
you have to swing your body, okay? Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Did we do it? Did we? Do you think so?
I feel like we did. But I feel like we need to be more in sync.
Yeah.
I feel like you love your leg before I go there.
Okay. I got you.
This one is actually quite easy. I didn't think it would be.
It's not that, because I need strength to just keep you in the air.
Yeah, and I need
And
rope power because you crush my rows.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's not as nice as it looks, guys. I promise you that. Okay.
Just.
I think you must just let loose. It's
Okay.
fine. I have myself.
Okay.
I'm not gonna fall.
Okay.
Okay. And let's swing first.
One.
Swing.
Go.
Go.
I don't know. Did we do it? Did we not?
Did we do it, guys?
I don't know.
Also,
What do you think?
I feel like
I think we're doing it, but I don't think like we're fully getting it right.
Let's look in the mirror.
I think like you.
You guys can see it like that, but I want to look in the mirror how we are doing this thing.
Okay.
Okay. So.
Wait, would you like me to? See?
So, yeah.
Okay.
And swing. Swing.
Wait.
Swing.
Go.
So sorry, guys. That's my mama calling. Sorry about that, guys. Our food is ready. We're getting spoiled today. I feel like I should have had a sports bra on this, to be honest. But we can do this. Okay, but I feel like our posture in the mirror looked good.
Look good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like we can do this. So.
Okay. Are we gonna just look in the mirror and do it?
Yeah.
Oh, see, I can see on that side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Okay. And swing.
1, 2. Here we go.
What was that?
Okay, I'm too focused in the mirror. I just have to focus on the feel.
You just have to focus on the feel, yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, my fingers are hurting.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Swing.
Not yet.
Swing.
Okay, here we go.
Swing.
I was too early on that one. You have to swing more. You have to bring your legs more wider out.
Okay,
Because it's still in the center.
Okay, I'll try.
You know, you need to get it out there.
What is it?
Woo! It's not
Guys, this
easy.
is tiring though.
It's not
Like even for me, I'm pulling my core to swing.
Yeah.
Oh, so my core is working out today. I need to do this every day to get that nice waist.
Oh, your movement is like rubbing on my arms. So
Yeah,
then
but
it
it's
turn
my
the
bra
wrist.
also.
Yeah, I know.
Because it's hard.
Yo, it's heating up right now.
Must I put on something else?
Ah, let's just do this.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay, let me try and stop it for you. Okay. I got my own bra.
Okay.
So yeah, that's better. How do you feel? Okay, swing. Swing. Swing.
Okay, go.
Swing.
Are we too early?
Ah!
Are we too early? Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Swing.
Wait.
Swing.
Okay. Wait,
Swing.
not yet.
Swing.
Now.
Swing. Swing.
Oh! Oh my! Oh, you cracked me up. Okay. Oh, good. I heard that crack. I'm sorry, love. I went too early. I landed on your foot.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, that was funny. Okay. I think that was a good one.
Yeah, that was a good one. Okay. Swing, 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 swing,
Okay, here we go.
swing, 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 swing.
Oh. I don't know.
Guys, we're doing it. But that's good. Can I try to do that?
Okay. Let's give it a go. What do you want me to do?
I'm shorter than you. Hang.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for
Bend your
this?
legs.
Okay.
Okay. Hang. Swing.
Are you-
I cannot do this.
Okay. Get ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Swing.
And swing. Swing. Okay, here we go.
I'm so sorry, Pops. Are you okay? Did you hurt yourself?
I know. I'm good.
Don't do that to me. I thought you hurt yourself.
Woo! You like face planted me into the ground now.
Okay,
Oh
guys,
my
I'm not
goodness.
gonna do that. I'm sorry, but I'm not.
I'm definitely gonna slow-mo that part. Woo! That's tough, eh?
Yeah,
Doing that.
yeah. You need a lot of leg strength because you're holding my whole body weight on one leg.
Yeah.
Uh,
It's crazy.
And your arms carry everything.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, your legs is doing your arms and the person's body weight. But your arms is literally just holding me and I'm hanging. And
Yeah.
I'm still using my weight to swing myself.
Yeah.
It makes more
Yeah, I
leg
know what
weight.
you mean.
You know what I mean?
It's crazy. Guys, I hope you guys like that video, that challenge. Make sure to... Why do I sound so different right now? Okay, wait. Let me catch my breath. Guys, I hope you guys like that video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Most importantly, smash that subscribe button if you guys are new to this channel.
Yeah.
And also...
Turn on your post notifications to get our latest videos as soon as we upload them.
Yes, but as always guys, stay lit,
Stay awesome.
stay juicy.
We out.